Namaskaram. My name is Rujita Gali, a Pakka Telugu Ammai from this beautiful city of destiny, Vizag. I have been crowned as Miss Vizag 2021 by Ajay Agarwal's Miss Vizag show, conducted on 10th of October at Black and White Hotel. I feel so glad and happy that I've been crowned as the title winner because I did my hard work. I put in a lot of efforts to improve myself, and then this is the fruits of my hard work. I'm feeling very happy. The journey has been really good. I really thank Ajay Agarwal sir and all the other organizers along with judges, fashion designers and the choreographers. I'm very glad to be in this platform. Thank you so much.
I'm an aspiring model from Vizag, and I'm very fond of fashion, being in front of the cameras, and I have been doing modeling for quite some time now, and I'll always be grateful to Miss Vizag, Mr. Ajay Agarwal, Mr. Vijay sir and Miss Vizag for giving me such a huge platform and giving me the confidence to participate and move ahead in my career in modeling and to represent strong women who dare to dream. Thank you.
I'm 18 years old. I'm a classical dancer, an actress, an artist, and the proud owner of Gift a Plant Business. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in fine arts from Andhra University, and it's my dream to one day become a world-renowned actress. I'm so happy for this wonderful platform that Pobite, Miss Vizag, Ajay Agarwal sir and Vijay sir have given me. I'm really excited to see my future, and I'm very thankful for everything that this platform has done to me. This is the exact and correct stepping stone that I need towards my future.
Celebrities for the Vizag and for all over India. And when I started my career in 2017 at Miss Vizag, and I was making many designs for them, and finally 2021 I did again the designing red gown collection. It's the evening gown collection for all the contestants, and thank you so much giving this opportunities Ajay Agarwal and everybody. His journey is too hard, and it's like a 6-month hard work we did, and finally we did last Sunday this event successfully. And there is a very beautiful girls who did the very best walk, best the confidently they did very nice this journey. And I really given to blessing them ki their growth of again in future and have a bright future. And thank you so much.
Miss Vizag competition lo participate chesi I have won this title, that is Vizag Miss Popularity of 2021. I'm very happy to gain this title and own this crown definitely. Not small or big, but I am passionate towards this stream. Chala thank you for each and everyone who have supported me. The organizers gani, the fashion designers gani, the makeup artists who have making me look very beautiful gani, for all the girls, not only for me. I'm very thankful and grateful to be a part of this Miss Vizag. I'm going to cherish these moments all over. Thank you.
I'm so grateful. నేను టాప్ 5 మిస్ వైజాగ్ 2021 టాప్ 5 వచ్చా, అండ్ I got 2 subtitles. One is social media queen and another one is beautiful eyes. Social media queen వచ్చి voting system. I would like to thank to all the voters who voted me, and I won 1 lakh cash prize. I would like to thank Pobait Sharad garu for giving us such a wonderful opportunity, and beautiful eyes వచ్చి judges decision. And ఈ జర్నీ ఇప్పటిది కాదు, లైక్ ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఇన్ ఫిబ్రవరి. అట్ ఫైనల్ కోవిడ్ ఇష్యూస్ వల్ల అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇష్యూస్ వల్ల ఇట్ వాస్ పోస్ట్పోన్ అండ్ అవ్వదు అనుకున్న టైంలో పొబైట్ యాప్ వాళ్ళు చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేసి మాకు ఈ ఈవెంట్ అయ్యేలా చేశారు. ఫ్యాషన్ శాండీ షీ గేవ్ అస్ a beautiful dress to all the participants, and very ma'am ఆమె మాకు ఎలా వాక్ చేయాలో తెలియని టైంలో ఆమె గ్రూమర్గా వచ్చి షీ టాట్ us a lot. అండ్ ఈ జర్నీ చాలా మెమరబుల్గా ఉంటుంది. ఇది లైక్ షార్ట్ టర్మ్ కాదు, చాలా లాంగ్ టర్మ్, 6 months కాబట్టి చాలా వీ హ్యావ్ మెనీ మెమొరీస్.